One.
Hello again, this is Tom Ayrton. We are in the section of the museum called the Overstated Tributes to Common Men. By that, of course, we mean common women, also the political systems, and all kinds of tributes propaganda is really good at. This is one of my favorite posters. It comes from Great Britain, of all places, from 1913. Now, British women tried to get the vote since like 1903, but they were not very successful in the beginning. They got much more successful, later on. One reason why is because they produced wonderful posters that eventually helped them gain the vote, which they did, I think, in 1918. In 1918, women older than 30 could vote. This poster shows how the voting system is unfair to women, which of course it was because they couldn't vote. It says here what a woman may be and yet not have the vote. Mayor, nurse, mother, doctor or teacher, a factory worker. They can vote. But what a man may have been and yet not lose the vote. Let's take a look at those guys. Convict, lunatic, we have a lot of those. Proprietor of white slaves, that's probably meant brothel keeper, I'm guessing. Unfit for service, and of course, drunkard. So these men, with all these things, they even have, I love these little signs that indicated lunatic, of course, has Luna here. But anyway, I wonder what this is, something uncalled for. But anyway, these people would not lose the vote. And that really bothered the women, and justly so. So this poster was actually very useful, and as a result of this kind of positive propaganda, I would say, most propaganda is pretty negative, but this one is very positive. As I already mentioned, by 1918, women in Great Britain got their vote. It wasn't like that in the United States. But that's why it's my favorite poster. Especially these coat of arms, a drunkard has a bottle here. It's kind of really clever, very British, very well done. I even like the difference between the colors. Good work, whoever did this particular poster. We don't know who. It was published by the Suffrage Atelier, but we don't know the name of the artist. Certainly, that would be great to know it. Anyway, thank you.